Now we will take 11 question, a raised to power 6 minus b raised to power 6. Just see how to convert it as the difference of cubes. A raised to power 6, we will write a square the whole cube. Minus b raised to power 6, we will write b square the whole cube. Now we will use the formula x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So it becomes x minus y. Our x is a square, y is b square. X minus y, a square minus b square into x square, that is a square the square. It will become a raised to power 4 plus xy plus a square b square plus y square, that is b square the square. It become b raised to power 4. Now again these two are factorizable. A square minus b square, easily we can write, you know it, difference of the squares. It is a plus b into a minus b. Here in this, it is a square the square, it is b square the square. If we will write this a square b square as 2a square b square minus a square b square, then first square will be completed. I will write a raised to power 4 plus 2a square b square plus b raised to power 4 minus a square b square. It is just like splitting the middle term. This a square 1a square b square is written as 2a square b square minus a square b square. Now just see, for these three terms square is completed. It is a square plus b square the whole square. X square plus y square plus 2xy. So it becomes a plus b into a minus b into a square plus b square the whole square minus ab the whole square. Now difference of the squares. Again the same formula can be applied. X square minus y square will be equal to x plus y into x minus y. Our x is a square plus b square. Our y is ab. Now again we will factorize it. It becomes a plus b into a minus b into x plus y, a square plus b square plus ab into x minus y, a square plus b square minus ab. In this way, these are the factors of this polynomial a raised to power 6 minus b raised to power 6. Now we will do question number 12. A raised to power 6 minus 7a cube minus 8. Here we have to use a different technique. We will put a cube is equal to x. Therefore, a raised to power 6, it will become x square. And this polynomial will become x square minus 7x minus 8. It can be easily factorizable by splitting the middle term. Sum you need minus 7, product you need minus 8. You know the numbers will be minus 8 and plus 1. We will split the middle term. X square minus 8x plus 1x minus 8. X we will write common. What is left? X minus 8 plus x minus 8. Now we will take x minus 8 common. What is left here? X plus 1. Now we will put x is equal to a cube here. It become a cube minus 8 into a cube plus 1. Now 8 can be written as 2 the cube. So the formula difference of the cubes can be used. 1 can be written as 1 the cube. So the formula sum of the cubes can be used. Now a cube minus 8. We will write it a the cube minus 2 the cube. A cube plus 1. We will write it a the cube plus 1 the cube. Now again we will use that formula. Here a cube minus b cube. It is a minus b into a square plus ab. A into 2, 2a plus b square. That is 2 the square, 4. Again in the same way, a cube plus b cube. A plus b into a square minus ab. Minus a into 1 minus a plus b square. 1 the square, 1. So these are the factors. We will write the factors in the proper order. A plus 1 into a minus 2 into a square plus 2a plus 4 into a square minus a plus 1. So these are the factors of this polynomial. Now we have used a special technique. We put a cube is equal to x. Now we will do question number 13. A cube minus 27b cube plus 2a square b minus 6ab square. Easily you can see these two terms are the difference of cubes. We will write it a the cube minus 3b the whole cube. 27b cube can be written as 3b the whole cube. Now from these two terms 2ab is common. What is left here? A minus what is left here? 3b. Now we will use the formula here, difference of the cubes. A cube minus b cube. It is a minus b. A minus 3b into a square plus ab. A into 3b. 3ab plus b square. 3b the whole square. That is 9b square. Plus 2ab into a minus 3b. Now easily you can see a minus 3b is common. It becomes a minus 3b into a square plus 3ab plus 9b square plus 2ab. What is left here? 2ab. So it becomes a minus 3b into a square plus 9b square 3ab plus 2ab plus 5ab. So these are the factors of this polynomial. Now we will take question number 17. 1029 minus 3x cube. Just see, none of the cube is complete. To make the cubes complete, we will take 3 common. What is left here? 343 minus x the cube. 343, you know, it is 7 the cube minus x the cube. Now we will use the formula difference of the cubes. A cube minus b cube is a minus b, 7 minus x, into a square, 7 the square, that is 49, plus ab, 7 into x, plus b square, that is x the square. So these are the factors of this polynomial. We will write it 3 into 7 minus x into x square plus 7x plus 49. In the proper order we will write. Now we will do question number 18. Prove that 13 cube minus 5 the cube is divisible by 8. First of all, we will factorize it. A cube minus b cube, it is equal to a minus b, 13 minus 5, into a square, 13 the square, plus ab, 13 into 5, plus b square, that is 5 the square. Now you know 13 minus 5 is 8. 8 into 13 the square, 169, plus 65, plus 25. Now easily you can see whatever this number may be, it is a multiple of 8 as 8 comes with it. So this number is divisible by 8. Easily we can write as it is a multiple of 8. Therefore it is divisible by 8, whatever this answer will be. If you like this video, then kindly subscribe this channel. Thank you.